Hey everybody, Dave here, One Mechanic, with a short tool haul. This might be a surprise, but I bought some more. Excuse me, I got a little cold. But I bought some more Wright grip wrenches, metrics, and to fill in the rack. And I got some more of the Hall's metal racks. And I'm doing the green for the SAE and the blue for the standard, which is sort of matching my socket holders, my magnetic socket holders. Just a thing I have, I guess. But I'm going to show you some differences between the Wright wrenches, especially the 25 millimeter, which I currently have Tekton, which the Wright wrench will be replacing the Tekton, and then the Mac precision torques, comparing a couple of the largest sizes that I got to replace them too, just to show you that I'm not really losing anything size-wise. And we'll get the drawers reorganized and with the new racks and see how it looks. All right, come on back, let's go. Like I said in the opening, today's just a small tool haul. One of the things that I'm doing is, you guys saw the video with the Hall rack. I have the opposite Hall's rack to put in here. I'll show you that later. But I also bought the Hall's rack because I've liked them here in my cart and the one I have in my big box over here. So I'm going to do the same thing here, but I also got Wright wrenches to fill in the rest of this to replace these Macs and the one Tekton I have. So let me show you the comparison to that. Be right back. So I have the Wright wrenches here, 20, 23, 24, and 25. The new set I bought didn't have the 20, and I wanted to fill in the rest of the rack. And currently, so for the 25, I had my Tekton, and as you see, they're almost identical length. Tekton might be a hair longer, but as you can see, nowhere near as beefy. The offset is different, of course. And then, of course, the Wright wrench has that texture inside of it. So that's the 25. Now, I haven't had any problems with the Tekton whatsoever. I'm just, I guess, partially OCD, and I like everything to be the same. I don't know, a lot of people say, oh, 25 millimeters, 1 inch. It's not exactly 1 inch. It is a hair smaller. And I started to tear up a fitting on a case skid steer using a 1 inch wrench because at the time I didn't have a 25. So there is a difference. But this has been a good wrench for the few times I've used it. This will go home back into the big set that I originally had here at the Tekton. So that's where that's going. Then the 24, there you go. So it is slightly smaller than the Mac. To me, not enough to make a difference. Love the Mac. It's just as beefy. And again, I just want everything to be the same. And let's look at 20. So even the 20 is just a hair shorter. So that is the wrenches I got. And this will complete the one side. I still got some bigger wrenches to fill in this also. And like I told you, I got some more of the Halls racks. And before, you guys have seen this one. Has a shape like that in the box. But I also got the opposite side. So in the box, they, you know, kind of fit like that. And these blues are for my metric. The green, I also have a green one to complete the other side of my SAE stuff. So I'm gonna put that in the box and show you what it looks like. Be right back. You ready? Standard drawer with the new rack. And actually, I gained room. These 3 wrenches were laying here because I didn't have enough room over on this side. So now it fits everything plus these small ones. So that's pretty awesome. And then on the metric side, it fit everything I had plus my new wrenches. And there's actually one extra spot left for a 26. And well, apparently I can't count. Sorry about that. Technical difficulties. But I have a 26, 27, 28, 30, 32. That's the rest of the Mac Precision torque set. And those will be getting replaced by Wright grip as soon as I get the money to do it. And then all my Cornwell ratcheting wrenches. And then if you guys remember, these are my Proto stubbies, which I still haven't used yet. I've been doing a lot of wiring and tires lately, so I haven't had really a chance to use these yet. But yeah, I think they came out pretty good. What do you guys think? So, what do you think? I think it looks pretty good, and I'm really surprised how much room that I gained. I mean, it's only a couple wrenches, but still, a wrench here and a wrench there, right? And I love how the holders are made so they sort of fit together, you know, like a puzzle. So you can put them closer and there's, you know, no wasted room in between them, where your typical cone shape, you know, you put 2 cone shaped together, you have all this wasted room and stuff like that. And even if you get the opposite cone, there you go, you know, you still get all kinds of wasted room and stuff. So I really like how these fit and they look, and I like the angle they put the wrenches at. Normally my big SAE wrench, you can't fit in a drawer like that, but because of the slope, the way the wrench lays backwards on it, you can fit your bigger wrenches into a smaller drawer. And I think that's a really neat design. I'm super happy. They were $26 a piece, I think. They were under 30, I know that. And I'll try to post a picture here from their website of the pricing. My Tekton 25, it's been a good wrench. I haven't used it all that much. I'm not going to lie to you. It's not an everyday wrench, stuff like that. But I mean, I have used it a few times. It's worked great. Just on hydraulic fittings, so it hasn't taken a lot of torque or anything like that. And like I said, I'll probably take this one home to go back in my Tekton set at home, which will make that set complete. And as you saw, it's almost the exact same size as the Wright wrench was. And then of course, my Mac Precision Torques. I'm not selling them because I like them. Plus, I don't think anybody has, that kind of angle. This angle has helped me in a few different spots. So yeah, I'm not saying that the Wright grip wrenches are better than these. Don't do that. However, my opinion is I like the Wright grip wrenches better than these. Again, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with them, it's just my preference. I like the fact that I like the size, I like the looks, I like the feel. I like the fact that it's a USA company. It's a company here in Ohio. So it's, helping to keep my dollars in my state. And I mean, I guess this did too, because my dealer is obviously here in Ohio too. But I've just been really impressed with the Wright grip wrenches. The metrics are the 2.0s. My standards are just the old-fashioned Wright grips. But yeah, that is my tool haul. Like I said, nothing big or fancy, just showing you some of the wrenches I got and the racks. And really, the most impressive thing to me was how much room I saved using the new racks. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. I am going to show some videos or pictures, I'm not sure which, depends on what I do, some stuff I did throughout the week. And yeah, we'll come back and do this again. All right, hope you guys are healthy, happy, and safe. And if you haven't, please subscribe, like, share, comment. Have any comments, please leave them below. Have any questions, leave them below. Also, if you can, check out the Text Talking Shop group. They're on Instagram and YouTube. And I've helped them out with some projects and stuff like that. And it's a great bunch of people. And starting to do some different stuff. And doing some live streams. Yeah, I mean, check it out. Great group of people. Alrighty? Take care, people. Have a safe one. One mechanic out. Peace.